Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, September 12, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hi, David. I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kick in. Got a long day ahead.
I feel you. I've got a pile of work waiting for me.
Oh, same here. Always something to do, right?
Yeah, never a dull moment. How's your week been so far?
Pretty busy, lots of calls and emails. What about you?
Same, just managing projects and deadlines. It's nonstop.
Tell me about it. Hey, did you catch any news lately?
A little bit? What did you see?
There's this big thing about international trade. The US and Europe are working on a new deal.
Oh, I heard something about that. They want to make trade easier, right?
Yeah, exactly. It could mean better prices for stuff we sell.
That's good news. It might help with costs for my projects too.
I hope so. More sales for me? More coffee breaks? Huh?
You and your coffee breaks? But yeah, it could help a lot of businesses.
For sure. If they agree, maybe we get more clients too.
True. It's important for jobs and the economy as well.
Yeah. Let's keep our fingers crossed. We need some good news.
Definitely. It's been tough for a lot of companies lately.
No kidding. Hey, speaking of news, did you hear about this new tech app for work?
No, what's that about? Tell me.
It's a new tool to track projects. They say it makes everything super easy.
Oh, that sounds perfect for me. I'm always juggling tasks.
Right? They say it cuts down on email mess, no more searching for stuff.
I like that. I spend way too much time on emails every day.
Me too, it's a pain. Maybe we can get it for the office.
I'll look into it. If it saves time, I'm all for it.
Cool, let me know. I'm all about working smarter, not harder.
Haha, same here. Time is everything in my job.
Totally. If it works, maybe the boss will thank us for once.
That would be nice. I'll check the app out soon.
Awesome. Oh, and there's another thing in the news I saw.
What's that? Something interesting?
Yeah, it's about a new family movie. It's breaking all kinds of records.
Oh, really? I didn't hear about that one.
Yeah, they say it made like 50 million in just 3 days. That's crazy.
Wow, that's a lot of money. What kind of movie is it?
It's a fun one for kids and families. Perfect for a weekend watch.
Nice. I might take my family to see it. We need a break.
Same here. I'm thinking of going with my kids soon.
It's good to have something light in the news. Too much heavy stuff lately.
For real. Work is stressful enough without bad news.
Yeah. A movie night sounds like a good escape. We deserve it.
100%. Hey, back to that trade deal. Do you think it'll happen soon?
Hard to tell. These things take a lot of time.
Yeah. I just want it done. It could boost my sales numbers big time.
I get it. It could help with my project budgets too.
Let's hope they don't mess it up. We need a win this year.
Yes, a win for everyone. It could make a real difference.
Fingers crossed. Hey, how's your project stuff going anyway?
It's okay, just very busy. I'm working on 2 big deadlines now.
2 deadlines? Ouch, that's rough. I've got like 5 clients to call today.
5 clients? That's a lot. Good luck with that.
Thanks. I'll need all the luck I can get. Coffee helps though.
Coffee is the real hero here. It keeps us going.
No doubt. Hey, about that trade thing, do you think it'll affect prices soon?
Maybe if they agree on the deal, it could lower costs a bit.
That would be great. Cheaper stuff means happier clients for me.
True. It might make planning projects easier for me too.
Let's see what happens. I'm tired of high prices everywhere.
Same. It's been hard to manage budgets with costs going up.
Tell me about it. Hey, about that app, do you think it's easy to use?
I hope so. If it's not, I won't bother with it.
Haha, fair enough. I just want something that doesn't crash my computer.
Oh. I know that feeling. Tech problems are the worst.
The worst. If it works though, it could save us hours.
Yeah, I'll test it out. I'll let you know what I think.
Cool, thanks. I'm all for less stress at work.
Me too. Anything that makes life easier is a yes from me.
Hey, and that movie, do you know if it's on streaming yet?
I don't think so. I believe it's only in theaters right now.
Okay, maybe I'll plan a trip to the cinema then. something to look forward to.
Yeah, it's nice to have a fun plan. Work can wait for a day.
Exactly. Work hard, play hard, that's my motto.
Good motto. Balance is the key.
For sure. Hey, how do you manage all your project stress, by the way?
I just take it one step at a time. And coffee, of course.
Coffee saves the day again. I just talk to clients and forget the rest.
That's a good way to do it. Keep it simple.
Yeah, simple works for me. Too much thinking hurts my brain.
Haha, I get that. Sometimes simple is the best.
Hey, back to that trade deal. Do you think it'll help small companies like ours?
I think so. If costs go down, it helps everyone.
Good point. I just want more business coming in.
Same. It could open up new chances for growth.
Let's hope. I'm ready for some good changes around here.
Me too. Change can be a good thing if it's done right.
Yeah, no more surprises though. I've had enough of those.
I know what you mean. Stability is nice.
Hey, about that app again, do you think the team will like it?
Maybe, if it makes work faster, they'll be happy.
Cool. Faster work means more coffee time for me?
Always back to coffee with you. But yeah, I'll pitch it to them.
Thanks. You're the best. Let me know how it goes.
Will do. I'm curious to see if it's as good as they say.
Same here. Hey, in that movie, is it for all ages or just kids?
I think it's for everyone. Families will enjoy it together.
Nice. That's perfect. I'll plan a day out soon.
Sounds like a plan. It's good to take a break sometimes.
For sure. Work can't be everything, right?
Right? We need fun in life too.
Hey, I've got to run to a call now. Catch you later?
Sure. See you later, David. Have a good day.
You too, Alex. Take it easy.
Thanks, you too. Good luck with those calls.
I'll need it. See ya.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.